So imagine that you're pouring a jug. Welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and today what we're going to do, shoulders, right? So the most moved joint, we're going to do it. We're going to do it a little carefully, functionally, and for the strength as well. So all of them have finished their warm up and they've started the first exercise. Okay, so moving to a rotator cuff exercise and the shoulder press. So that's what they're doing, and it's done slowly. Since it's the fourth set they're hitting, their speed is increased and they're fatigued out, so you can see that. Right? So I'm back again with my gloves. Again, I've started working out. So restriction by the doctor has gone on my. I'll tell you about that story that I have fallen from the third floor. Right, so now back again in workout. So he's allowed me to start off with low weights. So I've started again, and we'll cover it in this. The next exercise is front raise. Okay, now the correct way of doing front raise. Start with the suitcase hold. Go slowly, and as you go up, bring your thumb downwards, pointing it down. So internal rotation of your shoulders. Bring it right in front of you instead of doing it on the side. So get it slightly in front of you and pour the. Imagine that you're pouring a jug. Okay, so the internal rotation of your shoulder is very important. That's where you get your anterior deltoids engaged. You can watch them doing it. So, and if you see something, she's holding the dumbbell on the topmost part and then pouring it. That gets the leverage of the dumbbell extension and gives you more load. Even if you take a lighter weight, you'll be able to feel that. If you're watching this video and you're finding it interesting, you know what to do, right? Like, share, subscribe, and send it to your friends and family and ask questions so that we can support you with a lot more videos and your doubts clarified. So we're getting ready with the next exercise. Okay, what we're going to do is a lateral raise. So you've done lateral raise like this, right? Drive it with your shoulders. So take your elbows up first. And imagine you put your hands in the pocket, bring your elbows forward and rise it forward. So hold the dumbbell, just go, take it up. Okay? Target your middle head. Okay, good. The next exercise, the upright row. So what we're going to do, hold the dumbbell at the extreme outer end. Get the dumbbells together. Don't press it too much, but lift it and keep your shoulders higher than your wrist and your elbow as well, below the shoulders. So elbows below the shoulder and pull the weight up and then bring it down. Don't act with gravity, take the weight down, slowly and easy. Yes. It's an amazing exercise. Keep your elbows, shoulder together. Yes. Good. Shoulder together. Good. Exercise which is coming up, and what you need to do is for your posterior deltoids. Okay, so you need to lean forward about 45 degrees, come in front, and then push your thumb backwards. So external rotation of your shoulder and press your rear deltoids keep your thumb backwards so that you get that. And guys, if you've been watching this video till now, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and ask. Ask like how you did. Ask for more exercises and explanation of how to do it. I'm going to help you out.